Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unbox on this what's airgun cleaning kit. So we last left off here. Now we have a multifunctional handle that converts to a screwdriver. So that's gotta be this little thing. It does have a little rubberized black rubber on there, and it does say the name, which is nice on the brand, so you actually know where you got it from. 6-bit driver set, 2 flat blades, 2 Phillips, 1 3mm hex head, and 1 4mm hex head. So these, and then it says 22 thread adapter, which is right here, a 22 caliber thread adapter. Now it's made in the USA. There's the website, Umbwets, but this one's spelled a little different. It don't have the B in here, so it's Umarex. Oh no, that kind of looked like a B for me. The way how I was waiting for the camera lens. But yeah. So yeah, definitely I'll put the website and yeah, that's it. I thought they had a phone number, but just the website there. So it says peel me. So let's peel it. And this just kind of tells you everything that you got in there. 2 other different lances, so 3 lances. But what's kind of cool is here, it kind of tells you like your 177 caliber, what you're going to be getting, and for your 22 caliber, what parts you're going to be needing. Then it label like H and stuff, which yeah, I don't know why there's labeled like HJ and stuff. But yeah. So if you guys pairing, you take that, you put that through the handle, and then you put that piece on the end. Okay. And then those is what bits of what's gonna go in the back here. And then you know how you use the adapter and stuff. So not that bad at all. And let me dig through the book here and find the page where these little cleaning pellets on. Pretty sure that they're close to the back of the book. Yeah. They just call them AirGuns quick cleaning pellets. They're going to come in little plastic clamshell bots like this. But here you got the choices of a 177 caliber, which is going to be 100 of them. You could go with a 20 caliber, which is going to be 80. 22, which is going to be 80. Or 25, which is going to be 80. So, yeah. And then they have this other cleaning and maintenance kit. This one's going to be more for your rifle. So it's my little lever action with Peter Daisy gun. Almost like the little red wire from A Christmas Story, where it's like, "You're gonna shoot your eye out, kid," and the kid almost did, except he broke his glasses. Yeah, so that's more for rifles. This is more for like just little handguns and stuff. So let's go ahead and clean them. I'm gonna go with my first oldest gun. Just kind of see that. I'm just gonna use a mop in here. This one I'm going to be needing, I believe, the 177 caliber. So let's kind of wrap this stuff and kind of check it out. Do be careful with this. Do unwind away from your face. It is a bit on the springy side. So if I'm reading this correctly, we put it in here like this, put it almost close to the end. Then we take this and I believe we want to put it flat side. I don't think I did this right. Actually, let me go back and look at the instructions of how to put this piece on. Because one side is round and one side is flat. Yeah, just 1 and 2 for the flat side. Okay. So I did have it on the right way. Although personally I don't really think that you need it, but oh well, I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use it as just a straight old wire. So let me just screw on the cleaning mop. Run this in the gun a little bit. Just see how dirty it is. Yeah, pretty clean. Pretty clean, I will say that. But now let's get on to more of the bitter guns that I have. So let's see. Find my M1A1 M16 carbine, which is going to be a little hard to do on camera here. Let me put it this other way, so that you know the dust flap. There we go. Not really sure if this is going to be a 177 or a 22. I believe this might be a 177. Feels like a 177 going down in there. Definitely I had hit something. So let me pull the gearbox back. And just for the habit, let me eject the magazine. To see if anything's coming out the bottom here, and nope. Let's see how dirty that thing is. Looks like it had a little bit of dirt in there. Let me reinstall the magazine. Yeah, just a hair of dirt. Not that much dirt on there. And then, yeah, if you want to take your guns apart, which I'm probably going to be using this M16 gun for example. So get that magazine off there just to make it a bit easier. So yeah, like a screw like that. That's why they give you this big old little screwdriver right there. Which I never actually seen a screwdriver this big before, to be honest with you. Because I was like, how the hell am I going to get that screw off? But now, you know, you can. I'm not going to completely unscrew it because I know there's a spring in there, and I don't want that spring to just, come out and hit me in the face or even lose that spring. But just to kind of unscrew it just a little bit to show you. Yeah. I guess you could also, if you want to, screw these in here like this. Maybe. No. Huh. I'm not really sure what that's for. Right there, because I'm not seeing a hole that goes all the way in there. Now this is made out of rubber too, just like the bottom of that. I mean, like, I guess maybe you could stick it in there like this, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't really see much use for this except for, the screwdrivers. With this, just use like one old piece of cleaning tubing for this. But yeah, let me show you on this little one over here. You just screw that in there. Actually, I think it goes for the bigger one. Yep. Then you could screw it on there like that. Now I know I didn't show you how these work. Let me grab one here if my camera will allow it for time wise. Let me grab the 177 caliber. Beforehand, let me